Hey everyone, have you seen Tesla stock after hours? Tesla is up over 8.5% after hours after already being up 4% on the day. But why was Tesla stock up, you might ask? Well, they announced their first quarter results this evening on their conference call, and boy, did they knock it out of the park. Today, Tesla posted a profit of $1.24 per share versus analyst estimates of a 36-cent per share loss. Let me say that again. Analysts expected a loss of 36 cents per share, but Tesla blew that out of the water with a $1.24 profit. That is a major beat for the company. Not only did Tesla beat on its financial metrics, but it had plenty of other exciting announcements during the call as well. Fortunately, I was able to listen to the call earlier and have already broken it down into 8 key takeaways that we will go over in this video. Before we go over the 8 main highlights from this conference call, be sure to drop a like on the video if you like Elon Musk, which I think you do. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on Tesla. With that said, let's jump straight into these highlights. In the past, the first quarter has been a seasonally weak quarter for Tesla. The first quarter 2020, though, proved to be a successful one with the announcement of positive GAAP net income. Tesla achieved a 20% automotive gross margin, all while ramping 2 major products. Elon mentioned that Tesla can ramp products much faster and have them become profitable sooner because of efficiencies learned and improved from previous product ramps. If Tesla can continue to improve efficiencies across its line of products, that will, of course, improve their earnings, allowing them to self-finance future investments in their business without having to sell stock or purchase debt. Not only that, but Tesla showed relative strength during the quarter despite the shutdown of economies around the world. In my opinion, any company that can show strength during an economic shutdown, excluding those that directly benefit from the shutdown of the economy, is one worth considering. A strong balance sheet is crucial for any company, especially during times of economic hardship. Having a strong balance sheet allows a company to use its strong cash position in difficult times instead of needing to seek outside funding with less favorable terms, and which end up sapping from profits in the long run. Tesla ended the quarter with $8.1 billion in cash and cash equivalents. Zachary Kirkhorn, the Tesla CFO, mentioned that they are managing their cash very carefully and will be able to add to their cash position as they deliver cars from their increased inventory that was unable to be delivered due to the shutdown. Having this strong balance sheet also enables Tesla to continue to heavily invest in innovation while many other companies are doing the opposite. That is, cutting or halting their expenditures. As Elon put it, we are absolutely pedal to the metal on new products and expanding the company, and we are really looking forward to being in sometime next year a truly global manufacturer with major factories in North America, China, and Europe and a capacity of well over 1 million units a year. With Tesla heavily investing during this period while their competitors cut costs, they are widening the competitive advantages they have over other companies. And that brings us to takeaway number 3. Tesla is mastering car production. Though they obviously still can't produce as many cars as their competitors, they are producing more electric cars and are paying attention to the fine details to make production more efficient and make their cars better. Elon spent a few minutes during the call passionately discussing new production techniques they are working on for Model Y, stating, "For Model Y, we introduced a revolutionary 2-piece underway casting and are going to be making a single piece casting later this year, meaning essentially that the rear third of the body is cast as a single piece, which is no casting of the size of complexity that's ever been done before. In fact, there isn't even anything that is on par with the two-piece casting for the Model Y. So we're really pushing the envelope on vehicle structural engineering and manufacturing. I'm very excited about this approach as it allows us to reduce the weight of the cars. It's better in every way, essentially. Elon also called out the advantage they have with autopilot, stating, "We are collecting data from over 1 million intersections every month at this point. The number will grow exponentially as more people get the update and as more people start driving again. Soon, we will be collecting data from over 1 billion intersections per month." All of those confirmations are training autopilot. Essentially, the system is labeling reality as they drive and making it better and better. I think this is an advantage that no one else has, and we're quite literally on magnitude more than everyone else combined. I think this is difficult to fully appreciate. The reason I say it's very difficult to have a search engine that competes with Google because everyone is training Google all the time with their searches. So when you're searching something and you click on a link, you're training Google every time you do that. It's very difficult for any new search engine to compete on that basis. Then there's Tesla's advantage with the range of its batteries. The company is miles ahead of the competition, and it's just not even close. Look at this chart. Tesla has the top 7 electric vehicles based on their rated range per charge, and they have 8 of the top 10. And the longest range version of the Model S, ranked number 1 on this list, Elon expects to pass 400 miles with its next test, since it was about 2% short of full capacity when being tested by the EPA a few months ago. And it doesn't stop there. Tesla's battery technology is set to improve with some big announcements planned for Tesla's Battery Day coming up soon. And speaking of Battery Day, during the call, Elon revealed that Tesla Battery Day will be coming soon, expecting this event to occur around the third week of May. Elon is calling this one of the biggest days in Tesla history, so I fully expect this event to announce some substantial leaps in their already impressive battery technology. If Tesla can remove obstacles in the mass production of batteries and make batteries more efficient and last longer, they will be able to increase their advantage and possibly cement themselves as the king of sustainable energy sources. Elon also announced during the call that we will hear more details, possibly as soon as next month, about a new Gigafactory in the United States. Many of you may recall a tweet Elon posted nearly 3 months ago with the short question, "Giga Texas?" I wonder if Texas will be the site of the new Gigafactory. Placing a Gigafactory in Texas would be extremely beneficial for Tesla, since Texas is more centralized in the United States than Nevada and will allow them to remove cost pressures of shipping batteries in vehicles across the country. According When asked about offering full self-driving as a subscription, Elon responded that Tesla will likely offer this feature as a subscription towards the end of the year to improve the adoption of the technology and hopefully remove the burden of the large upfront price tag. Though he considers the upfront price, which can be rolled into the car loan, a bargain, Elon believes this feature may be offered as a subscription soon. Tesla revealed 3 key facts about Model Y's progress in its first quarter of production. 1. Model Y ramp has been faster than the Giga Shanghai ramp in Q1. 2. Model Y is already profitable in its first quarter of production. And 3. more Model Ys were produced in the first quarter than the first 2 quarters of Model 3 production. All of these facts contribute to the projection that Model Y will be the most successful Tesla yet. And the last key takeaway from this earnings call was that the first deliveries of the Tesla Semi will be delayed from this year until 2021 or sometime next year. Obviously, the stock didn't blink when this news broke because it flew higher by 10% anyway. I think the fact that earnings estimates were blown out of the water and the other announcements were so good that this part of the earnings announcement was just simply overshadowed. Well, guys, what did you think of Tesla's earnings for Q1 2020? Are you going to buy shares of Tesla stock after this earnings announcement tomorrow? And after the stock is run up 8% after hours? Comment below. And while you're commenting about all the Tesla shares you're going to buy, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I plan to post a video previewing Tesla Battery Day soon, as well as more Tesla videos, so subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on all the important content and my thoughts in those videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.